Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to review Credit Captain. As Credit Captain increase your credit score automatically using AI all-in-one credit management, production and repair. It helps achieve your financial goals. Credit Captain has a mixed to positive online reputation with many satisfied customers reporting significant score improvements but also some complaints about service delivery issues. So let's get started. First, we have some positive reviews about their credit score improvement, effective negative item removal, strong customer service, and ease of use. Let's talk about them one by one. So, first one is credit score improvement. It has numerous customer reports substantial increases in their credit scores, with some mentioning jumps of 40 to 75 points within a few weeks to months. The next one is users have shared success stories about Credit Captain effectively disputing and removing incorrect late payments, lingering marks, and other negative items from their reports. Many reviewers praise specific customer service representatives for being professional, knowledgeable, responsive, and helpful in explaining the process and addressing concerns. Customers appreciate the user friendly nature of service and the use of AI technology to streamline the credit repair process. Now, here are some negative reviews. A recurring complaint is that some customers paid for services but did not see any activity or service provided even after several weeks or months. Maybe they used some rigged website. On the other hand, a review on Better Business Bureau website mentioned the service is not as promised at all despite glowing reviews elsewhere. Some general advice on forums like Reddit cautions that all credit repair companies essentially do what consumer can do for themselves for free. So it has some general industry skepticism. Now, credit captains appear to have a large number of satisfied customers who have seen positive results. However, potential users should be aware of complaints regarding inconsistent services, delivery, and bear in mind that the fundamental principles of credit repair can technically be done independently. So that's all about Credit Captain. Hopefully you like it. If you like it, then drop a comment.